Hi, May Taylor's here. In this video, how to create a tracking link in Groovefunnels affiliate training. In a moment, I will show you step by step how can you easily create a tracking link for your affiliate in Groovefunnels. For example, in this video tutorial, I would like to add a tracking link in here. Click here to get a free lifetime membership. I would like to promote Groovefunnels and I would like to track how many people when they land on this page sign up for a free membership account for Groovefunnels. The first step is go to the dashboard by clicking the G icon here, or you can go to apps and then go to Groove Affiliate. The next step is click promotes and go to tracking links. Here you can set up as many tracking links as you want by clicking up the top here, the plus sign and tracking link. Click here and then give it a name. For this example, I want to track is the free size hustles course. As I just say track free sign up on a free size hustle course. And then the next step is click next. Click next. This one here, they got quite a few options for you to choose. The first one is external link. If you have your own website you would like to track, you can copy and paste it here. Or this one is product landing page, is the group sales product landing page, and this one is affiliate link, that what we want. For this one here, we need to create a landing page, a funnels in group sales. This one here is affiliate link, so we want to add Groovefunnels. And the next step we have to choose. In this example, would like to create Groovefunnels. And then this one here, so got a few options for you. This one here, we want a Groovefunnels, so click save and next. Track your goal. We want to track affiliate conversion. If you would like to track vendor, you can click it here. This one here would like to track affiliate conversion and give it a name, size, hustle cost, Groovefunnels sign up, any funnels, and then you got a 3 options to choose from. In this one, in this example, we want to click Groovefunnels, any product Groovefunnels, and then any price point we want to add any, or of this part want to track just the Groovefunnels free. In this option here is the price point. You can track trial, monthly, annual. Got a few options here. So even you can track 3 easy payment, 6 easy payment, or 12 easy payment, or the lifetime one. In this example, we want to choose Groovefunnels free. Click add. In this one here, after you create, you can also edit that if you want. You might want to choose different price point, and then click update. Track your goal. If you would like to track your goal, you can choose whatever you want. So we don't want to track any goal, so we want to save and next. This one here, if you have Google Analytics, you can copy and paste here. Cost per click and tracking ID. This one here, if you have Google Analytics and Facebook Pixel. This one I don't have any, so go save and next. Voila, this is the link that we want to use. So we copy it, make sure you save, click save and next. You want to go back to the dashboard and then go to manage sites and funnels. And this one here is the three dots. You have option to edit, clone or delete the page. We want to open editor to copy and paste the link that we just created. And this one here, highlight the text, and then you can see this, like it is a chain symbol here. Click here and then paste the link that we just created, and then click save and publish. That's it. How to create a tracking Groovefunnels affiliate tracking link in Groovefunnels. I hope you like this video, and please don't forget to give me a thumb up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for staying with me until the end of this video. Until next time, have yourself a good one.